Meanwhile, a judge's decision in Central Texas is now reopening the abortion debate here in Texas. A pregnant woman from North Texas who has serious pregnancy complications asked the court to get an emergency abortion. Olivia Leach is sorting through the case for us. She's in Fort Worth now live with the latest on this. Olivia?
That's right, Ken. The Center for Reproductive Rights filed a lawsuit on behalf of a pregnant Texas woman who was told by doctors that her baby likely would not survive the pregnancy. She asked the state for permission to have an abortion, and today a state judge gave her permission. In the lawsuit, Kate Cox, a Dallas area woman who is 20 weeks pregnant, asked the court to allow her to have an urgent abortion because doctors told her the fetus she was carrying had trisomy 18, a genetic disorder which usually results in stillbirth or early death of an infant. According to the lawsuit, continuing the pregnancy would threaten her life and future fertility, but she was unable to get an abortion due to the state abortion law, which bans abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. The judge in the case, Judge Maya Guerra Gamble, ruled in favor of Cox, saying, quote, "The idea that Ms. Cox wants so desperately to be a parent and this law may have her lose that ability is shocking and would be a genuine miscarriage of justice." Here's what her attorney said in response to the judge granting her permission to get that abortion.
This case proves that abortion is essential, life-saving health care, and the judge recognized that immediately. As long as abortion is prohibited in any part of this country, pregnant people will suffer.
I spoke with the president of pro-life organization Texas Right to Life to get their reaction to today's ruling.
At Texas Right to Life, we're very concerned about this ruling. This really is a break from the objective standard in law to a more subjective standard, and I'm afraid it's going to cause more confusion and danger for patients in the future.
Now, the state Supreme Court is currently in the process of considering whether the state's abortion law is too restrictive when it comes to women with pregnancy complications. Ken?